Okay, this is the loading computer actually, sir. Sir, you have to sit down as well, sir.
So I like to finish it within 50 minutes because I'm already appointed to have a instruction for another training.
15 minutes, sir? Oh my gosh, I'm super girl. You have to be Superman.
Yeah, because we already.
You already know.
Yeah, already using this one.
Oh, I see. That's great. That's great. Okay. So I'll just going to.
Is this exactly the same as Camino, the previous year?
Yes, yes.
It's the same, yeah?
But the thing is, it's not IS code yet. This is already IS code, sir. 2008 IS code, which is the assessment for this class. Okay. So as you can see here, you already know very well that if you are, it's separated. Okay. If you are loading copper precisely, you have to identify an option here. Yeah. Okay. So it's copper oil, or sulfuric acid.
Okay. The only thing we know about is only 3 items.
Okay, sir.
How to print generally.
Okay. Generally. Okay. So you go to File, go to Batch Print. Okay. So there are information here which you will check.
Okay.
This is the report. This is for the GM curve graph. And this is for the stability, intact stability, which is for this graph. And this is for the dynamic stability, which is for this graph, inclusive of the data. And the longitudinal strength calculation for the force diagram, which is inclusive of all the data for longitudinal strength. But then, sir, may I remind you that this one is only including the bending moments and shearing, not shearing force.
Not including.
Not including. It's only for the bending moments. For shearing forces, it is based on your longitudinal bulkheads. So in that case, you have to click here on your BHD. Okay, so BHD, there. So it depends on your which longitudinal bulkhead are you going to print out. For example, I know it's highlighted, side shell plating. Okay, you just have to print it out here. Okay, print icon. And then if you would like to click on bilge hopper, then click print icon here. So this, of course, the green one.
If there is something abnormal, I mean,
it's gonna be red
of the moment, maybe red color. Okay.
And shearing force will be red also. Okay. So you will be informed accordingly. No worries about it, sir. So, and you will see the percentage ratio as it is.
But this is not inconvenient. This is not exactly the same as about Camino. Because Malcolm, you have the percentage and the biggest one you can see inside, but it's very difficult to find out.
No, it's not difficult, sir, because here...
Which one is the biggest there? You carry
here.
The maximum or something?
The maximum is here. This
green
is
color.
the green color.
Okay, green color. That's what I mean, okay.
Yeah, this is the maximum, the green color.
Okay.
So it gives you an idea, more or less, which is the maximum.
Okay,
as you click on this. But when it turns red, it's over 100%, okay? So it's over 100%. Once it's red color, and once it says red color here in shearing force, then that's the time that you can check on your longitudinal bulkhead.
Okay.
So which particular longitudinal...
No, this is okay.
Yeah, this is okay.
As long as we don't think of the red color, it's okay.
Yes, that's right, sir. Okay. And the graph for this particular longitudinal bulkheads, you can click here and see on the graph, status of the graph. Okay. So whichever longitudinal bulkhead you click, that is the graph that will be highlighted. Okay. So
the graph is better for us to see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
And how can you print all of this?
Well, in general.
I cannot find it.
Well, you can just print here. Okay, so you just have to print here. If you want to print, but this one, that's going to be the only one by one here for this particular case. For example, you're printing side shell plating. Okay.
No. It's just want to see the general condition. You cannot see it.
Batch print. That's the batch print. Precisely. The report for
okay, let me see the preview batch side.
This is the patch. We don't have a preview, sir. I'm sorry.
We don't have.
Sorry. Okay. The only thing that you can see is you can just select whichever printout you need.
Oh, but this is individual printing, yeah?
No, no, it's not individual. It's group printing actually. It's all
all,
checked.
all of that.
It's
Okay.
all checked, so
Uh-huh.
you just click print, and automatically it will print it
Okay,
all.
one papers you can
And
see.
no, not in one paper. It's 5 actually.
5 papers.
Because as you can see, it's
I
checked
don't.
in five.
I mean, yeah, just we can see the general condition of the, including bending moment and
Ah,
loading condition like that. That's one paper. So I cannot find on the computer.
I'm sorry, sir, but in accordance to your request, I'm going to relay it to the office. But anyhow, we cannot do that as of the moment.
We can, yeah.
Yeah, we cannot.
So we cannot
If
find
you
that.
are going to print the bending moment and shearing forces, you just have to highlight this one
Okay.
and click print here. Okay?
주가가 뺏는 건 뭔데?
But I saw one of my superintendent, he printed general condition all of it.
Okay, okay.
Here is every cow thing.
What you are telling me is the loading information. So this is the report. Actually, if we click report here, this is the one that you're telling me about.
But yeah, this one is here, and here is ship's diagram, including the ship's diagram, and also something another draft, also something data. Only one page.
That is a draft survey. So, yes, I guess you are trying to tell me about the draft survey like this. So you got the draft here, you are doing some draft survey, so there's the illustration of the ship and stuff like that, you can print it out. So actually these are just basically the printout that you're going to be receiving for our...
This one.
Yeah. This is for the draft survey.
Yeah,
actually.
you mean this one after print? After print.
Condition of the ship.
Same as this one.
Yes, same.
No.
Condition of the ship, including each compartment.
Yeah, this one.
Including bending moment.
Including this diagram. And including this data and including this data.
Sir, the only thing that you can do is print screen, sir. So you can include all of this because actually we cannot print the multi-document in the borders. You cannot. But if you wish to, you can print screen. It's different. This is a different one, I guess.
I tried, but I couldn't.
Yeah. It's print screen, sir. You can print screen, if ever you would like to see all the illustration of the ship here, the ship diagram, and all of this.
石川さんが事務所でですね、ローディングコンディションみんな1ページで取ったのはどういう方でやりましたか？私見てもわからないですよ、僕だけで。
俺もちょっとわからんですね、これは。
これ今説明聞きたいんですけどね、これ方法ないですね。
あ、ないですか？
요상태로 그렇게 하는 거 아이가?
아니. 그거 어디 있으냐면 여기가 이직하고 how much loading and 이직하고 thing and balance thing and the drop displacement here and here is this diagram. Put here.
Loading condition.
This one is color. After print. This one is
Maybe that's a different program, sir. I guess. Or no, sir.
Just I speak just the same system as my career.
Yes, this is the same system as Mar Caminos. Actually, we were the one who supplied loadings. But how?
I tried to ask him. Okay, never mind.
Isn't it the print screen, or you did something else? You edit the.
Okay.
Maybe you edited that.
Okay, and the backup. You put that backup in
The backup for some cases.
Yes. I want to try it right now.
I want to this program to set another computer.
Precisely. Okay, this program to another computer. We have actually a backup CD. And another thing is you can make use of also your USB if ever you have. And then I can load it to your USB if ever. Would you like me to load that?
Master computer also.
Yes.
아니 그러니까 여기 그러니까 요 안에다 넣어주면요. 제가 그거 안 나오게 버려.
Okay. So I can load this in your.
You go there. まで終わるように早くしますけど。ちょっとこう
8 giga?
はい。
Wow. Such a small 8 giga. So I'm gonna load this to yours.
그렇게 하면 설치는 네가 하겠나?
예. 그 라싱은 밖에 칸막이 하나 만들겠다.
라시는 우리가 하지.
So I'm gonna send this to your send to your huh? Why is it not it's not yet open. Hasn't opened yet.
No.
Oh, didn't want.
Why is it not? So then tablet.
Connection is full.
Okay. Yeah.
Just
For a while.
Yeah.
For a while.
Ah, so this CD to Yomi?
Yes, of course. This is for the vessel.
Yeah.
For the vessel.
Yeah. I will try, I can. This one is to move the whole file first, and then I.
You can make use of your USB also.
Okay.
Even without CD, you can. It breaks, so you can also load by your
아니
USB.
우리가 잘하니까 내가 와.
Finish plan and finish plan. You also have one. You will be given another one. So you're gonna be receiving 2 sets all in all. So it does not. This one, sir, is the test report booklet that was approved by NK. So this is the only booklet that you're going to be receiving for the vessel.
Okay.
So it should be under the safekeeping of the captain. So all the test cases are.
Did you receive it approved by NK today?
Yes.
Today, but what about the certificate?
The certificate, as per certificate, it depends on your your transactions with the NK. We are not touching that, sir. So this is the only thing that I have to relay to you. Okay, so sir, everything is being loaded here.
Let me.
all that.
아까 그림 있는 거 한번 봐. 빨간 거
Right. USB is here. USB, HDMI to USB. Oh, he's done. Maybe it's not compatible here.
지금 선생님 그때 본 게요.
이거 그림 아니고?
아니 제 기억에는 이 그림 같습니다. 배 모양 나오고 이 여기 카고가 안 나오고 카고 땡거든요. 지금 빵카 땡크하고 뭐 이런 거 나왔거든요. 아 이거 나오네요. 넘버원 쿠퍼 홀드. 그러니까 이 카고 땡크 정보고 이거 맞습니다.
이거 프린트?
예. 그때 들고 온 게 아마 준게
이거야?
예.
이게 프린트?
이건데 이제 이게 서플리게이션이거든. 이건 좀 쿠퍼고. 자,
서플 막 하면 되지.
Yes. The case, another case. So you are already familiar with this, right, sir?
I mean, how to print out this page?
Okay, I'm going to show you, sir, for a while. We're still loading your program here, USB.
And also, do you have the right